reaction time like that. Jalen Green put some zip on that ball. Oh yeah, right over the middle. Touchdown! Go Hogs. Yes sir, we're trying to win a chip. That's a touchdown. Bang! That's mine. Let's go. It's going the other way. He might quit here. Get your man. Leave my tight end wide open for a touchdown. That's what I'm talking about. I'm here. That's mine. Goodbye. Have a good night. Goodbye. I lurked the hell out of that one. Bye-bye, buddy. Disgusting. He's leaving too. That's disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Pierre has conceded the game. Unfortunately.